Hi, I'm Travis Beebe, an integration specialist with Manobyte. Today I'll show you our scheduled meeting automation that helps drive our capacity tracking and reporting. We recently migrated our project management from Teamwork to HubSpot using tray.ai to power the automation. To support this move, we developed 3 custom HubSpot objects: projects, assignments, and time logs. The project object stores comprehensive project information, including client details, team members involved, relevant date times, and status. The assignment project tracks tasks for an associated project, while the time log object stores time spent on the assignment. The event is added to a list within Tray's project scope. Adding events to this list allows us to queue them up for future processing, preventing the system from getting overloaded and allowing for deduplication, as Google tends to send 2 webhooks for a calendar update. Additionally, this workflow uses an exclusion list to prevent assignment creation for sales and leadership teams, as we're primarily focused on capacity tracking for project management and service teams. The second workflow creates, updates, or deletes HubSpot assignment records using the queued list of Google Calendar updates as a driver. Using the cron schedule function as a workflow trigger, it runs every 10 minutes on weekdays between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. This limits task usage to business hours when HubSpot assignment creation is necessary. Most of the data manipulation in this workflow is centered around formatting and converting date-time values for submission in. There are filters in place to exclude unwanted meetings from entering HubSpot. After creating the assignment, we attempt to match meeting attendee email domains to existing companies in HubSpot. If a company is identified, we look to see if that company has an open project. If so, we associate the newly created assignment with it. In the last workflow, in this integration, we use the Zoom trigger subscribe to receive a webhook when meetings end. The HubSpot assignments are identified using the Zoom meeting ID from the webhook payload. The owner of each assignment is identified, and their name and ID are used to generate time logs for the recorded duration of the Zoom call. The time log is associated with the assignment, and the assignment record is then closed. This comprehensive integration streamlines capacity tracking for both our project management and service teams. By automating key processes within HubSpot, it eliminates manual effort and ensures accurate data capture by minimizing the risk of human error. As a result, our teams have access to reliable, up-to-date information on project activity, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize resource allocation.